For the driver with truly elevated expectations comes the Cadillac CT6. This is premium luxury in its most modern expression. With available massage seating in front and rear that is both heated and ventilated. Three performance driving modes provide unmatched maneuverability and exceptional handling. Owners can choose to add all-wheel drive, active rear steering, and 20-inch ultra-bright machined aluminum wheels. And a network of safety systems that uses camera technology and ultrasonic sensors to help provide exceptional driver assistance and confidence is also available. CT6 multifunctional headlamps evolve Cadillac's bold, signature look. And every CT6 cabin is lined with cut-and-sewn leather surfaces, custom woods, and the option of fine finishes like brass and carbon fiber. An exclusive Cadillac world-renowned sound system is also available. Drivers have a range of engine options, which includes an efficient 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with cylinder deactivation that produces a massive 404 horsepower. Industry-leading construction, renowned innovation and technology, breathtaking performance.